Okay, part 4, Scarab mod. Yep, he's got a little headlight. Let me know where he is. As if I've been, couldn't spot the noise. And to give Kitty something else to look at. It was a bit of a pain to put in because I had to go around the motor. Really tight spot just in front of the motor, which is the rear of the motor, but it's literally part of the rear support for the motor, or the rear stop. So it's like 0.5 millimeter wide by 2 millimeters. Pretty tight to get telephone wire through there. Oh yeah, get the disco ball going. And yes, he works on carpet. He has silicone rubber feet now too. And why he moves around instead of just spins in a circle. Yep, there we go. See if I can get a bit of a close-up of him. He's got some torque too, by the way. That lithium battery gives you serious torque, and I'm glad I got these motors. The original burned up. I mean, it smoked. 10 minutes one time. Well, the second day. The first day it ran fine all day long. Charged it. Turned it on, set it on the floor. It hit the carpet. She got it upside down and stuck for about 10 seconds, and it fried. I saw a little puff of smoke come out of the motor. So I ordered some variable range motors, about 10 of them, and put one in there, and yep, works great. And I have not charged the battery since I started working on it, so yeah. The light probably will drain some, but not near as much as the motor does. So, all right. That's it for now.